Hello, welcome to the small class of the maintenance of the constant temperature and humidity test chamber of Sanwood Technology Company. Today, I will share with you the maintenance knowledge of the circuit system of the test chamber. First, maintenance of the power distribution room. The power distribution room shall be maintained once a month, and the maintenance shall be carried out in the power failure mode. First of all, check whether the terminals are yellowed or blackened. If so, please contact our after-sales personnel. If the inspection is normal, please blow the dust with an air gun. Second, main power switch maintenance. The main power switch needs to maintain once a month. Step 1. Turn on the main power switch at the back of the machine. Step 2. In the on state, lightly press the T button of the switch. If the range of the leakage switch falls automatically, it's normal. If the range is between on and off, turn on the power again and pull the range down and then pull it to the on position. Share here today. If you want to know more, please leave a message in the comment area. See you next time.